Load your family into the 2020 Toyota 4Runner. It features four-wheel drive capabilities, a durable automatic transmission, and a 4-liter 6-cylinder engine. Top features include a split folding rear seat, a tachometer, front fog lights, skid plates, and more. Audio features include an AM/FM radio, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 8 speakers, enhancing the audio experience throughout the interior. Toyota also prioritized safety and security by including head curtain airbags, front side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, a security system, an emergency communication system, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Electronic stability control ensures solid grip atop the road surface, no matter how challenging the driving conditions. Our team is professional and we offer a no-pressure environment. We are here to help you.